I'm in a F-150 2012, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life. So while the vehicle's on, we're going to use these to scroll and then this to hit OK. So I'm going to click down to scroll down to settings and hit OK. And then I'll scroll down to vehicle and hit OK. And then I'll scroll down until I get to oil life reset and hit OK. And then here you can adjust to whichever you want it to say, which normally if you're resetting it, you'd put it to 100. Let's see, we're at 190. It's just gonna push and hold OK. And then this is the OK I was pushing and holding here. But that's it. And then this is your back button to go back out of these menus. But I hope it's helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.